Welcome everyone. Today we create an elliptical trajectory on 2D space with the parameters supplied by the users and animate a circular object on this trajectory on MATLAB. First, we need to launch guide. We go into the command window and type guide. And now a window will pop up. There's a few options that have common layouts. Let's start for scratch and create a blank GUI. When you hit OK, then window that's pop up on the screen, which is called the Guide Layout Editor. From here we can design layout of our GUI by dragging and dropping components from the left onto the canvas. First, let's start by resizing the template. We can set this to whatever size we want. Next step, I will add an axis and push buttons, edit text, and static text. We use static text to label our edit text, and we can duplicate our components and we can resize our components. To create an elliptical trajectory, we need a point and we need two radius. So to point, we need x and y points, coordinates, and x radius and y radius. And now I can change our components property. First, I will change our string and our component's name. This is X center and this is Y center. And this is X radius. And this is Y radius. Edit Y radius. Now let's change our static text. We don't need to change their name, only change their strings. And X center, Y center, X radius, and Y radius. And now change the button's name and strings. Launch button and its name button, push button launch. And actually we need another button to stop our animation. We can duplicate this button. and its string stop, and its name push button stop. Now we can write our codes. When the button callback, first we can save our project. Now we can first get our components. X center from added X center. First we need to change our string value, convert to numerical value. And Y center, X radius, and Y radius. Now let's parameterize our components. And let me change this value, edit Y radius, and now theta zero 0.10 point x equal x radius cosine theta plus x center. And y radius cosine theta y center and sine theta. Sorry. Let's plot our ellipse. Plot xy line width 1, let's define our limits. Minus x radius minus absolute x center x radius this one is for our limits left side, and this one is our limits right side, and this is for only x axis, and this is y axis limits. And now grid on and hold on. And to start our animation, we need to create a loop, and we can start our animation theta 0. And to control our loop, we need some control variable. Now we can create our infinity loop. And if control equal to 1, break the loop. Else the animation goes on. And our can use our ellipse. A plot now we plot our circular objects on our ellipse xy, and our circular object is now we need delay to see our animation, and 0.05 milliseconds is enough. End of the loop, theta will change, and so our circular objects move on our ellipse. data plus over 360 and delete our circular object. Now to stop our animation, global control variable will be 1. At the same time, if our layout's closed, the animation stops as well. Now let's see our program. Start. X center is 0, Y center is 0, X radius 120 and 30. Let's launch. As you see, program is done. Everything is okay. No, we forget clear our axis, clear axis. Now restart our program. Launch. And that's okay. That's now okay. Yes, it's okay. That's okay. Thanks for watching, guys.